Banwat ikisap baper badon hik samla mantas ngi kharatrik naiving hajar afsan la pelong ya ka jekendolang jong baro santali ki blok ki bahap apo jong garib hoy district ya bala pli do ba Mayralborn im MLA kan po haparis hol nong po ya kan ya ka jekendolang samla la pelong lomba ka district level chief minister youth engagement program hajar afsan dak nyetrelang habdeng office jong district sport office but ka office jong deputy commissioner jong garib hoy district hapakran hagan ke jelang ba Mayralborn im loong ba kajing pelong ya kum kini ke kendu kan prilat e ki khun samla bakin pen i sya ka perthai ya ka sap ka phong ka bakidon bat loong ba un ai ka busket arpho hajar tangka ya ki balek bha pan poi sya ka thong hagan ke district level chief minister meklia youth engagement program hajar arpusan hagan ke sni la donlang deputy commissioner Karibohoy district Abilais Baranwal additional SP ba O Masar district sport officer ba Bobby L Nongbet president ka RBDSA ba RB Shadam secretary ba division Rendatiang Paris Pris kanampo Paris Father Peters Imli lembat kiwe
Idei ban postil bangin lo idei ban postil bangin job it's a poison from the job nomor kata the student the participant di bidang KRSC this is a example in which each and every one of us we should follow and as a mark of encouragement to each and every one of you, I am giving 20,000 to both of them after this program. This is the beginning to encourage. It is not that for everyone who will perform on the stage and sing, you have to compare. They have really did very well. They performed very well. And I will entrust Obi that in this 3 days program that you are going to participate, if I don't prize for the best performer, something like that, there is both male and female, 2. Okay. Then for the best performer, for the male and female as well, I'm going to give 20,000 at the end of this program, after 3 days. This is an encouragement, so that you won't stop fighting. I know all of you will get, the winner will be only one. Then they happen at home, there should be a goal. The 2 performers, they already performed in the past, they have reached to a certain height, now they deserve to get something. Nama I should go and say, Andre, tanggung dadak man sure di kun sama ada macam apa. But ada nicely na prendem hiu di badan sama. Kibaniyo kemar apa aja. Kata dia, kamu kan ada dulu. But you should know one thing. Ngapain ni gubun na prendem di dunia sports. Maybe football, maybe cricket, maybe basketball, maybe athletics, maybe any other discipline that we have. The state government has just recently announced the Meghalaya Outstanding Sportsperson Direct Appointment Policy to get a job. But you have to do well on a certain tournament or events not below than the national games or any big events. Suppose in the National Game 2027, where Meghalaya is going to host, suppose from our state, there will be athletes who will be getting gold medal, silver medal or bronze medal, they will get direct appointment for job, government job. Do you get video atau apa? Disusul? Tanpa, hindi in the school and district at that day. It should be at a certain level national games or Asian games or something at the national level about. There is a policy to encourage each and every one of you. This policy has to be there because Meghalaya has produced many sportspersons in various disciplines. But there are certain issues where a proper policy has not been framed to facilitate all the sportspersons who are eligible to get a government job.